Apple released the third beta update for iOS 18. So now we have iOS 18 beta 3 update for all the beta users with the new features like dark mode for all the third-party application app icons, along with that dynamic wallpaper which can change as per a date time. Also new emojis as well. But in this video, we'll not talk about features, but one issue that is faced by many iPhone users. That is the iOS 18 beta update not showing on their iPhones. So there are many iPhone users who want to upgrade their devices to iOS 18 beta version, but they cannot because iOS 18 beta update is not showing on their devices. So guys, in this video, let's see how to fix this and how to update your device to iOS 18 beta version. So guys, here, before you talk about a solution, one thing that is backup your iPhone always. So anything you want to try that, but before that, always backup your iPhone with the data. Okay, backup that. Once you have a backup, now the next step. To fix this or to update your device to new iOS 18, the tool which you're using, that is your Tenorshare Reiboot. It is available for your Windows as well as your Mac. Okay, so now the link in description, just go ahead and click on that and you will end up on this web page. And here if you see, it says that it will fix more than 150 issues about your iPhones instantly, right? Like your black screen, stuck on recovery mode, also upgrade or downgrade your iOS version, latest iOS version instantly using a tool. Okay, it is available there. Just go ahead and install it on your laptop or PC using this web page. Okay, now once you have your Tenorshare Reiboot on your laptop or PC, now the next step, just connect your iPhone with a USB cable to your laptop or PC, and here you can view your iPhone here on this Tenorshare Reiboot software. Okay, once it is connected, now the next step, here if you see on a home page or a main page, there are many things it can do it for you, but currently for us we require to upgrade our device, right? Just go ahead and click on iOS upgrade or a downgrade. Just click on that, and here there are two options, upgrade or downgrade. For us we require a upgrade. Okay, just choose that and click on upgrade. Okay, it will scan, it will search, and based on your current iOS version, it will recommend you the latest iOS 18 update for you. Okay, and here if you see, just go ahead, now click on download. So automatically it will start downloading the iOS version, iOS 18 beta version on your software itself. Okay, the file might be very long, 7GB, 6GB. So make sure that you have a space on your laptop or PC, along with that a good Wi-Fi network. Okay, wait for a while to update the iOS version on a tool. After that, install it on your iPhone using a Tenorshare Reiboot. Also, there is a one more way to download the iOS version file, that is using a browser. Just go here and click on this to download the iOS file on your laptop or PC using a browser with this method. So guys, like this, in a simple step, you can install or upgrade your iPhone to new iOS 18 beta version, right? And guys, if you want to backup or restore your iPhone, there's a one more tool available, that is your iCarefone. The link in description, check out. But the best thing about that is Tenorshare is currently having a promotion for these tools, right? So for example, the Tenorshare Reiboot and Tenorshare iCarefone, these both are available for $29.95 only. Because if you see, normally the Tenorshare Reiboot is priced at a $19.95 and the single iCarefone is priced at a $29.95, right? But now as a combo, both are available only for $29.95 only. There is a link in description, you can have a look for this as well. So guys, that's it, how you can fix the issue regarding iOS 18 beta update not showing on your iPhone or iPad with this simple tool. I hope it solved your issue. I hope you like this video, and if yes, then please like the video and subscribe for amazing videos regarding iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solution. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video.